Hacker Twins here. We're a new channel, so help us out with the like and subscribe. The robot you see here is actually an upgrade from our very first robot. This one has more joints and is wireless. At the end of this video, we're going to show you it performed flawlessly, but first, let's go through the build. We're going to be using transceivers to communicate with a controller and the robot arm. I wanted to use this big antenna, but it takes too much power and I don't want to set up an alternative power source. So we'll be using these little short-range transceivers. You might recognize these parts from our previous projects. This is the gripper from the ping pong ball linear rail. And here we have the base from our first robot arm project, demo arm. This planetary gear setup is going to sit on the base. It'll act as a shoulder, and it has 3 gears. You can see one at the very bottom connected to the servo. That's going to drive the outer ring. And then there's a small center gear that holds it all together. I have it hooked up to my joystick just to test, and I can toggle it left or right. The parts to the right here will be the new construction. A better servo mount so it could sit on my demo arm base. And the outer planetary gear that actually holds the servo. After going through a lot of servo gear drama, I've decided to go with a full solid gear. The center gear spins freely and has a spacer, so it lines up perfect with the shoulder. I'm going to make a more sophisticated remote controller for the joysticks, but I was just testing this out to see how it feels in the hand. This is definitely a lot better. The code and CAD files for this project are in our GitHub. Link is below. Feel free to comment with feedback or ideas on how we can improve this arm. We'll be doing more upgrades in the future. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hacker Twins, out.